Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this Samsung. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Now scroll down and click on Display. After that, scroll down again and tap on Easy Mode section over here. Lastly, click on this gray switcher next to Easy Mode feature in order to enable it. Then manage all of those options below it, and when you're ready, click on Home button. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, access exactly the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher next to Easy Mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!